Today, I'll show you how to find your Citibank account number and routing number using the Citibank mobile app. Whether you're setting up direct deposits, transferring funds, or simply need to have these numbers handy, it's essential to know where to find them. Let's dive right in. First things first, grab your phone and open the Citibank mobile app. If you haven't already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the home screen, you'll see various options and balances. What you want to do next is tap on your account or the available balance displayed at the top of this screen. Tapping on your account will take you directly to your account details page. Here, you'll find more specific information about your account, but what you're looking for is the account info section. Go ahead and select account info. This is where the magic happens. On this screen, you will see both your routing number and your account number displayed. Now, it's crucial to note that sometimes your account number might be hidden for security reasons. If that's the case, you'll notice an option labeled Show next to your account number. Simply tap on Show to reveal the complete account number. This feature is a great way to ensure your information stays protected while also giving you quick access when you need it. Once you've revealed your account number, you can view and even copy both your Citibank account number and routing number. Having these numbers at your fingertips is so convenient, especially when you need to fill out forms or set up transactions. And there you have it. That's how you find your Citibank account number and routing number using the Citibank mobile app. With these steps, you can easily access your account details whenever you need to. Remember, keeping your banking information secure is important, so be mindful of where you store this information. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, feel free to share it with anyone else who might benefit from it. Have a great day and see you next time.